That's right. Chinese characters may look confusing, but once you learn the basics, it's not as difficult as you might think. There are only 5 or 6 basic strokes. The rest are just different combinations or ways to write them.
But in our series, we'll discuss 11 basic strokes. That way you'll be even more prepared for writing those seemingly complicated characters. And today we'll start with the first 3.
The practice sheet from our website. If not, there's a link to download it below. And you'll need to have a pen or pencil ready.
For each video as well, as discussed in the video. And you'll be able to practice as many times as you want simply by following the tracing guides. This is heng or horizontal. It's written from left to right, like this. Easy, right? Be careful that for each stroke, you write it in one single stroke without going back and forth like this, and also don't write it backwards like this.
Try practicing it a few times.
Now, can you find our heng in this particular character?
Here it is. This character is pronounced shi, meaning 10. How about this one? It means sun and it's pronounced zi. And here's our heng.
Here's one more. It means 3. It's pronounced san. Did you notice that here are 3 heng or horizontals in this character? Great!
After heng is our second stroke, shu, or vertical. It's written from top to bottom. Once again, you don't want to go back and forth like this. And don't write it backwards, or there's a good chance the character won't look right. Try practicing it a few times. Awesome.
Again, we picked 3 characters for you. The first one means earth or dirt. It's pronounced tu. Can you find shu in this character? Excellent, 非常好.
Let's try another one. Right there. This character is pronounced gong. It means to work.
Okay, for the last one, there are 2 verticals, shu. Let's see if you can find them.
Great! This one means ear, and it's pronounced r.
And our last stroke for today is called dian or dot. This is what it looks like, and here's how you write it. Try it on the practice sheet a few times.
Okay, now that you know how to write dian, here's one of the most commonly used Chinese characters. It's pronounced men. It means door. Were you able to find the dian in this character?
Easy, right? Now how about this one? Qiao. It means small or little. Did you notice this stroke here? It kind of looks like a dian, but it's a different stroke.
You can see that dian is a small dot that falls from top left to bottom right, whereas this one falls from top right to bottom left.
Here's our dian. Okay, one more.
There it is. This character is cun. It's a unit of length in China that's similar to an inch.
On your practice sheet as well. The first one is shang. It means up. Follow my stroke order and trace it on your paper. The guidelines are there to help you identify which stroke goes first. But when you write a character by yourself, here's how you'll be writing it. 1, 2, 3, That's 3 strokes.
I remember practicing writing characters a bunch of times to memorize them. It helps a lot for recognizing and being able to read a character if you actually write them down a few times. And if you understand the structure, memorizing the shape or look of the characters comes easy. Here's the second one. It looks like an upside down shang, right?
对, correct. It is 下 and it means down.
So it's the exact opposite of shang or up. That's easy to remember. Here, we'll show you how to write it.
It's really easy, just like this. Follow the stroke order. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, you just wrote 2 Chinese characters.